Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to use my door, window and chicken blueprints and how to make them spawn and destroy on round end and begin. So basically you'll need my Canna template. Basically it's a DLL in here and some assets, basically my blueprints. So basically just move this in your project. Override it all, yes, and open your project. So basically what we'll use is target points, and it will replace the target points, or not replace, basically just use the location of the target points um, to spawn the chickens, the doors and the windows. So basically the first thing you'll have to do is move these to your UGC folder. I'm going to check something real quick because last time I tried it was pretty bugged. So yes, it's bugged again. If I select the chicken, it's still bugged. I'll have to check it. Oh yeah, it's missing the chicken. So basically just fix all that. Occlusion, roughness. This is the specular, so it's this one. And then the normal map. So that should fix the chicken. Okay, so that's fixed. Let's save that, close that. So let's move these in there. If you don't have this window, you'll have to press this button right here. So basically just drag and drop that in the UGC. Once that's done, right click the content folder and fix up redirectors in folder. Once that's done, you can delete these folders. It's the original folders because they're moved to here, but they're just some remnants. So now they're deleted. You'll have to get these two. It's basically just enabling the view options to show plugin content. Go in here and then the Pavlov game logic, you'll have to create a blueprint from this. In the UGC folder, I'm going to call it example game logic because the map is also called example. So I'm just making that a bit more clean. So this is the blueprint. You can find it in here. Just save this for now. So let's start with the blueprint. Go into the event graph. You can delete all this. So basically the first thing you'll have to do is create a custom event. Custom event called this spawn doors. So this event will spawn the doors. You'll have to check for a branch. Check the condition, create a variable. Call this variable be door spawned question mark. Compile it and make sure this is unticked. It also needs to be replicated, I guess. Next up, so when the chicken has not spawned, not spawned, you'll go for each loop and create an array. Let's create an array at the variable. Call this blueprint doors, or maybe let's call this target points doors. Then in here you'll go for a target point reference and change this to an array. Compile that, move the target points here, get connected to the array for each loop. Then next up you'll want to spawn an actor, the blueprint door actor. So basically spawn actor from all class. the blueprint door. Then collision handling override always spawn and no ignore collision. Get a transform from your target points. So use a get array. Get this array from your target points and array index. And then when it's spawned, you want it to set door spawned. Yes, the true. So this will basically spawn your door. So an event has to call this custom event, otherwise it won't work. So what you want to do is, for example, on Team Deathmatch, you want to use begin play because Team Deathmatch doesn't use the on round begin. Only Search and Destroy uses on round begin. And let's just add event on round end as well, because you'll want to destroy the actor as well. Because if the door is open, you don't want it to stay open in the next round. So basically, on begin play, you want to set authority, set has authority. What? Switch has authority. My bad. After the authority, call the spawn doors that you made right here. So basically, on Team Deathmatch now, when the round begins, the game begins, it will spawn the doors. When the round ends, yeah, it's just the next map. So on Search and Destroy, you want to do the same thing. Event on round begin. When the Search and Destroy round begins, it spawns the door. But then you'll have two doors when the next round starts, so you have to destroy the previous one. So we'll have to make a new custom event for that. Custom event called Destroy Doors. So basically what you'll have to do is create a new branch to check if the doors are spawned. Door spawned. If it's true, get all actors of class. So basically you'll get all the spawned doors, so all the blueprints that have been spawned, the blueprint doors that have been spawned. Then you'll have to so basically what you want to do now is destroy the actor and connect these two. But what happens now is when the bomb has been exploded or has been diffused, you'll see the doors have been removed right away. So to make it less obvious that the doors have been removed, you'll want to add a delay between this of 4.9 seconds or something, because after 5 seconds the next round basically begins. So destroy the door, destroy the door, set door spawned to false, so you can spawn the door again. So on round end you want to use another switch as authority and call the destroy door. Yep. So that should, oh yeah, on the target points doors you want to make it editable, because you can't add the target points here. You can't select them here. You have to do it in the game logic that you placed in the map. So this is basically done. This will spawn the door and destroy the door on the round end. So now you'll have to move this in your map, the example game logic. I'm just going to place it at 0, 0, 0 origin, move it up a bit. So you'll see that the target points door has been added here. I'm going to add the definition for now. Target points door. So you have to add some elements. So you can see you can't select any yet. we'll have to add some target points. So I'm gonna add one here. Yeah, it's okay. Add another one here. So if you place it like this, you won't see how the doors have been placed. So you can do it another way as well. You search for your door. I'll use this door in the blueprint. The size 2.5 because it's from CSGO. So basically the door will spawn like this. I'll add another one here. Rotate it a bit just to show how it works. This one will change to 90 degrees. Next you want to select all of these and replace them by target points. So replace selected actors by target points. So now that's done, I'm going to rename these two to doors. Door 1, door 2. So basically we have 5 target points for this door. So you'll have to add 5 elements to your game logic. So that's 5, selected door 1, door 2, door. So when I press play now, let's save the map first as an example. Fix this right real quick. So press play now, you'll see that the doors have spawned. Okay, so that's messed up. So you see the doors have been rotated perfectly. I'm going to change the scale value real quick to 1 again. That's better. So basically, you move to the doorknob. You can open it. You can open all these. So yeah, it works. So that's basically how you spawn a door and destroy it on round end. Maybe I should try the window as well now, so you have an idea when you have multiple objects you want to spawn. So basically you want to create a new blueprint, custom event I mean. Custom event. Call this spawn window panels. Create a new branch. Same thing, just exactly the same thing as above, just different namings. Like door spawn, target points, doors. That's gonna be a bit different than the blueprint. So again, promote to variable. Name this b window panels spawned question mark. Let's see. Okay, that should be unticked again. Next up, for each loop, create a new array. So I'm just gonna duplicate this one because it's basically the same. Just window panels this time. Get this array. Yep. Same thing. Spawn actor. Spawn actor from class. Blueprint window panel. Ignore collision. Always spawn. Get transform. Get. Connect this and the index. And this time set window panel spawned. Tick this. So also the same thing with destroy doors. Custom event. Destroy window panels. You can name it whatever you want. Create a branch. Window panel spawned. get all actors from class. Blueprint window actor, window panel, I mean. Same thing, delay 4.9. Destroy the actor. Connect the target to the out actors from the class. Set window panel spawned. Okay, so that should be it. And then you'll have to call for the destroy window panels and the spawn as well. So basically spawn window panels. Oops. Destroy window panels. That's done. Now in the game logic, you'll see you have window panels as well. I'm going to delete these. Oh, wait a second. I'll have to remove it here. It's basically these two. Should do it again. Oh, like this. Yeah. So basically, I can delete these two now and change them. Add some window panels right here. Let's call this window panel 1, window panel 2, game logic, add 2 elements because it's window panel 1 and window panel 2. Now when I press play, you'll see I have 2 windows here. You see that the texture is also missing now, so something went wrong with migration, but I should be able to fix that. Window here. So materials. Okay, so something is wrong with the window farmhouse glass. Base color, window default glass. Yeah, I think that should fix it. So when I press play now, yeah, the windows are fixed now. So if in game you shoot the glass, it gets destroyed. On round end, the window gets destroyed, and on round begin, there's a new window. Now for the chicken, we'll spawn some chickens. So we'll have to get back in the example game logic. This one will be just a tiny bit different. So same thing, custom event, spawn chickens, branch, promote to variable. Let's call this be chickens spawned question mark. Untick this after compiling. Next thing, you want to go false for each loop. Duplicate this, call it target points chickens, get it, array. Now you want to spawn not an actor but an AY. Spawn AY from all class, because the chicken is an artificial intelligence. So blueprint chicken. Now this, you see, this is a transform. This is a location, so you'll use the get actor location instead. Same thing, get connect the array index. Set chickens spawned yes. So that should spawn a chicken. Same thing, custom event for this destroy chicken. Chickens. Branch once again. Chickens spawned. True. Get all actors of class. print chickens. Same thing, delay 4.9. Destroy the actor. Oh, not destroy session. Destroy actor. I'm a bit tired at the moment. So connect this to the all out actors. Set chicken spawned. I see that this isn't replicated. My bad. So basically these two dot circles or whatever, they mean that it's replicated. So that's that. Just call the event now. Call spawn chickens and destroy chickens. Compile, save. So basically the game logic should be finished now, unless I miss something. Editable. Yeah, that should be it. Save, close it up. Let's add some new target points for the chickens. Call it chicken 1. Duplicate a chicken 2, chicken 3 maybe. Now in the game logic, you'll have the new chickens. 3 chickens. Select the chickens. Save it and play. And there's the chicken. Now you'll notice that the chickens just stand still. And this is because they move on nav mesh. So you'll have to add a nav mesh. So let me just add nav mesh bounce volume. I'm going to do this real quick. Whoops. Press P so you can see, okay, that's a nav mesh. Play. Now you'll see the chickens move around. So yeah, that's basically it. You can open the doors, you can shoot the chickens, destroy the glass, the windows, and they'll respawn around then. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just ask on the Discord or in the comment section. I'll try to help you out, but I think the video should explain pretty good enough, I hope. So yeah, see you on the Discord.